Konichiwa, ladies and gents. Kamani Rawlins here, Automotive Rhythms, and welcome to the Japanese new car experience, the second generation Acura NSX. Reimagined in 2016, the current model year can be had in its flamboyant Indy Yellow Pearl, which pops when galloping by. The NSX is your everyday supercar. I say that because it's simple to operate. It can be silenced in EV mode for early mornings when your neighbors are around, and doesn't consist of freaky doors that require you to contort your body to get in and out of. Just like the original NSX, the current model space frame is still engineered from aluminum and also ultra high strength steel, and features interior and exterior carbon fiber sports packages, including a carbon fiber roof, engine cover, spoiler, and then the aggressive carbon ceramic rotors that pair with the Brembo calipers. I mean, they really thought this vehicle out. NSX, I mean, it's slept on, but its performance parameters are outstanding. 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. And it rocks with a very fuel efficient 3.5 liter V6, 9-speed dual clutch transmission with these fast reacting steering wheel mounted aluminum paddle shifters. I mean, the Japanese really thought this one out. I mean, the vehicle is very sophisticated. The total horsepower is 573 and 476 pound-feet of torque. Of course, the NSX has various forms of etiquette. You can use dynamic mode to switch the mannerisms of the vehicle. For example, turning it all the way to the left, we'll put it in quiet mode. That's where the electric motors kick in. The vehicle becomes very docile. And then you have sport mode, and then sport plus mode. And for those days on the weekend when you want to hit the track, you have track mode. What can I say? It's the NSX with the mid-mounted V6 and hybrid platform, staggered Continental performance tires, and the boatload of innovation. Catch me if you can.